Good afternoon, everyone. I am Bharti Agrawal, Assistant Professor from Department of Business Administration. Welcomes you all in the extension lecture on marketing organized by Department of Travel and Tourism of DAV Centenary College. Hyderabad. It's a matter of immense pleasure that our worthy principal ma'am, Dr. Savita Banerjee, given this opportunity to organize this wonderful session for the students of this department. Now we have with us an intellectual personality, Miss Monica, Assistant Professor from Shivaji College, Delhi University, as our eminent speaker for today's session. Ma'am has more than 11 years of teaching experience. She has been actively engaged in seminars, faculty development programs, conferences, and workshops, and has also contributed towards research also and towards work by publishing articles in various international and national journals. We welcome you, ma'am. Students, this is going to be a wonderful session. I hope you will learn a lot from today's session. With this, I request Miss Monica, ma'am, to please continue. Ma'am, we welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Bharti, for the elaborated introduction that you have given me. I'm very obliged and thank you so much. I would like to start saying thank you to the DAV Centenary College and Dr. Savita Bhagatji, the principal of the college, Mr. Amit Kumarji, the head of the department, and obviously Bharti Agarwal for approaching me for this session. And thank you. I hope by sharing my knowledge, the students are also updated and they also gain something from this. And one more thing, I would like this session to be a bit interactive. It should not be like a boring one as I am only saying that and students are only listening that chalo ji ek aur lecture aa gaya, ek aur teacher aa gayi hame samjhane. So it should not be like that. It should be an interactive one. We should be learning the things in a fun way. So thank you so much, everyone. And I hope my voice is audible to all. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can I proceed with the lecture? Can I share the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just make me the host? As I can't share it. Yes.
Ma'am, wait a minute, please.
Yeah, please, yes, sir. Okay. Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so dear students, I welcome you all or I would say in the world of marketing, we are learning many new things, many new terms, many things that you have already learned from a new perspective. I want to present it. So I'll be starting with first with the very basic thing. What is the meaning of marketing that your professors has also told you about it. And it is the concept has been evolved from a past time. Like earlier we were focusing upon more on the production concept that whatever we are producing, we want to sell it, and whatever we are having, we are must focusing on the mass production level. We should be having lots of units in that. Later on, it comes with the selling concepts that whatever we are having in hand, we want to sell it. Okay, then we were focusing upon the product concept. We were so much related with product. We want to like come up with the new feature in the product. We want to enhance the product, how it looks, how it's functioning, and how it is fulfilling the needs of the customers. We were so much related with that we were actually compromising on the other things like the delivery of that, or whether we are maintaining the existing customer base. We are focusing on them truly because we were very much involved with our product. Then later comes the societal concept, or we can say the modern marketing concept that we are into it now also, that it is like a shareholding approach, or we can say not only the shareholder, it is like a stakeholders approach. We are focusing on each and every party that are involved with us, whether it is be the customers, whether it is be the dealers we are having, whether it's be the suppliers we are having. So everyone we are taking into the consideration. So as you can see, it is to establish, maintain, enhance and commercialize customer relationships. I am again putting stress on the relationships. We are into the modern marketing concept where we want to build our relationship, we want to nurture our relationship, we want to maintain our relationship, and we have to make sure that whether we are proceeding with the same kinds of relationship, we are maintaining them or not. Okay, this is the marketing process model we are having. That is the first step into it is, I hope everyone must have done it in their classes also. I'm just giving a brief introduction of the same. That is market and environment analysis. Now, how we are analyzing the environment? What are the different kinds of environment we are having? It is like the internal environment we are having. Are we talking about the external environment? When we are talking about the internal environment, students, so it is about the sudden stakeholders we are having, like we are having employees with us, we are having our customers, we are having our dealers, we are having our suppliers. So they are in our nearby vicinity, so they are covered under the internal environment, or we can say the micro level. When we are talking about the macro level, it is the pestle approach. It has been named by many researchers in the different form. I'm sharing the pestle approach. That is the political environment we are focusing upon. That is the economic environment we are focusing upon. Technological environment we are focusing upon. Ecological environment, we can say it is like a natural environment we are focusing upon. Okay, legal aspects we are focusing upon. So first we need to scan the environment. How we do the scanning? That is through the SWOT analysis. That is the first step: strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. It is very important. And not only being a marketer, it is important. Let me tell you, for the individuals also, for you being a student also, for me being a teacher also, we are having our own SWOT analysis. Like, what are our strengths and weaknesses that is relatable to the internal environment that we know we need to focus upon. Now, what are the opportunities and threats in the environment which is relatable to the external environment? Okay, so how we can grab those opportunities, how we can make use of those opportunity. As we can see, we can relate it with the COVID era we are going on. सबने सैनिटाइजर पर बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई थी. Earlier also that product was available in the market. बट कैसे उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ग्रास्प कर काफी लोगों ने इसी फील्ड में एंट्री ली. Now we can take the example of, we can say, the grocery stores. You can see many of the shops, many of the people has opened these kinds of stores क्योंकि उनको लगा कि this is the need. आजकल के टाइम में तो इसी का ही ज्यादा डिमांड है. So what they are doing actually, they are making the analysis of the environment and making their decisions on the basis of that. Okay, now we are proceeding to next one, that is the fixing marketing target. It is like the objective setting we are doing. So objective setting, again, it's a process. Now, how it is a process? We are having the long-term objective, we are having the short-term objective, or we are having the mid-term objectives too. We are having the objectives at the departmental level too. For the different departments, we are making it. Under the marketing also, there is a research cell, there is a research department. उनके अलग objectives होंगे. Under the marketing, we can have advertising.
Excuse me, Monica ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. Ma'am, please make me a co-host.
Okay.
आप होस्ट हो. हाँ, क्योंकि बच्चे कुछ वेट कर रहे हैं, वेटिंग एरिया में है, मैं उनको एडमिट कर दूंगी.
Okay, just a minute, Bharti, I'll do that. Let me have the list of it. Just a minute. Bharti, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
Bharti.
ma'am. Continue.
Okay. Yeah, so fixing marketing target means that you are setting the objectives. Again, as we were discussing, there could be at different levels, we can have the different kinds of marketing objectives. Then it is not only sufficient to have the marketing objectives in hand. The important part is setting marketing strategy. Now, strategy is something which comes after planning. बच्चे प्लान तो हमने बना लिया कि हम ये करना चाहते हैं ना, हाउ टू फॉलो दैट. जैसे प्लानिंग में हम कहते हैं ना, where we are and where we want to go. It is like bridging the gap. So वो बहुत important है कि how to bridge that gap, and for bridging that gap it's very important to formulate the efficient and effective marketing strategy. Now if plans are like short term and long term, तो strategies पे आपके उसके accordingly mold हो जाएंगी कि वो short term होंगी, वो departmental level होंगी, या वो किस तरीके से हम बनाएंगे. It will coexisting with the marketing objectives. Now, next important part is the marketing mix. Now, here I want the answer from the students also. What do you mean by marketing mix? Anyone? हाँ जी, ये तो बहुत ही easy है. Okay.
Students, आंसर करो. दीक्षा, कहाँ गए तुम?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
हाँ जी, आंसर करो मैम को.
मैम मार्केटिंग मिक्स में हमारे जो है वो 4 P's इंक्लूडेड होते हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहला जो हमारा आता है वो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आता है. देन उसके बाद हमारा प्राइसिंग आती है. आफ्टर दैट इट इंक्लूड्स प्लेस, एंड देन द लास्ट वन is promotion activities. The product is the product but we are selling, or in our industry it is the services we are providing. And when it comes to pricing, that includes the costing and all the input we are putting in our product. And the place is the channel of distribution through which we are providing our product or the services. And in comes the promotion strategies. It includes how we are presenting, advertising our product. And in advertising industry, there are also various types like social media advertising and all that. And in service industry, they also include 3 more P's, which is physical evidence and people, which includes the person who are buying it. Physical evidence is like in our industry, it is the satisfaction level we are including in it. And all these products, in a combined form, they make a marketing mix.
Thank you so much, Bache. Can I get your name also?
Ma'am, Diksha.
Diksha, thank you so much, Bache, for the elaboration of the concept that is the marketing mix. And that's why I was turning to my next slide also, which was about this only. But you have explained it so well that yes, these are the marketing mix as we are relating it with the 4 P's in case of product marketing, and additionally 3 elements also in case of service marketing. So why marketing mix are so important? That by changing them effectively, you can serve the needs and wants of the customers. That's why they are very pertinent, they are very important for the organization, or for the upliftment of the organization, or how they can do the changes as per the needs and requirements of the customers. And last step into this is the marketing controlling. So whenever there is controlling, there are certain series of steps we can see. Now how these series of steps are starting, it starts with obviously with the establishments of the plans. ठीक है, so हमने objective set कर लिए हैं. उसके बाद what we are doing, how we want to control the things, whether they are going as per our plan or not. चाहे we are taking the example of products or we are taking the examples of services, कि हमने जो है इतने जो tourism packages हैं, we want to sell these packages, या हमने इतने product का जो production किया है, we want to sell that. और हमने सिर्फ sale नहीं करनी है. Again, I am focusing upon the relationship. The relationship buildings are there. So even if the customer customers purchase it or not, but they want to continue with it. That is very important. So again, सबसे पहला steps is the establishment of the objectives. Next we are going that what is our current performance, and next we are comparing both of them कि whether what we have set as an objective that has been fulfilled or not. And if there are certain circumstances where we are not able to fulfill those objectives, so there might be some deviations. So what are those deviations, or can we do the follow-up action? Can we do the yearly review, half-yearly review, monthly review, depending upon, again, I would say, depending upon the time period for which you have fixed your targets. Okay, so I hope this model is clear to you all, and I try to explain it with respect to both the product marketing and the service marketing. This is what Diksha was also talking about. Now I would just give you the brief of that only. In case of product marketing, we are majorly focusing upon the product, price, place, and promotion. So now product, what are the attributes of the product, what are the facilitating services we'll be providing, the core product, the augmented product. So these are the different aspects we'll be considering into that. You must have gone through the new product development stages also, the process of it. Then we are having the prices into it. Now pricing, under pricing, how to fix up that price, what are the different techniques of fixing the price of the product or price of the services also. ठीक है, यहाँ पे we are not only focusing upon the product, we are focusing on the services also. So whether it is cost based, now cost based also, if we are saying to which cost to take into consideration. It is like the variable cost, it is like the total cost, which cost we are taking into consideration. This is also very important. Demand based, how people are demanding the product, as I was giving you the example of COVID era, the groceries I was talking about, the sanitizers I was talking about. Okay, so ये सब चीजों का demand एकदम से बड़ा था. Operation based है, competition based है, relationship based है. So again, in everything we are somewhere stuck with the relationships. Now we can talk about the promotions. Now promotions में भी आपका advertising, personal selling. I'm not getting so deep into it क्योंकि ये concepts आप लोगों ने already कर रखे हैं. तो I'm just giving you the overview of it. Personal relationships की हम बात करते हैं, public relationships की, ठीक है, publicity की हम बात करते हैं, sales promotion की हम बात करते हैं. तो these are certain techniques. Places में it is more or less like the channels of distributions we are having, inventory management we are having. So कौन-कौन से intermediaries हैं आप उनको involve करते हैं. So this all is the process with which we are having with the places. Now the next three elements which are specifically catering to the service marketing, that is the people. People are supreme, whether like in employees, whether like in customers, they are supreme. So उन पर focus करना is very important. Again, you can see there the word relationships. So relationship building, क्या हम उन्हें मौका दे रहे हैं आगे आने का, क्या हम उन्हें वो exposures दे रहे हैं, क्या हम उन्हें वो training and development programs available करवा रहे हैं, as you are also attending one of the sessions. So this is your upliftment of knowledge too. You are getting the exposure कि इस तरीके से भी होता है. So your college is providing you the same. Now process जैसे हो गया कि आप कभी ड्राइव थ्रू जो आउटलेट्स हैं वो आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे मैकडॉनल्ड्स के. So there is a process कि ऐसे आप अपना कार लेकर आएंगे और यहाँ पर आपने पेमेंट करा और यहाँ से आप पैकेट्स जो हैं वो उठा सकते हैं. सर्विस इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, बैंक्स में जाते हैं, आप एक टोकन लेते हैं, ठीक है, उसके बाद आप आगे जाते हैं, वहां पर डिस्प्ले होता है. सो टोकन नंबर जब आपका आता है, देन यू आर गोइंग टू द हेल्प डेस्क एंड देन यू कैन गो फॉर योर सर्विसेज. देयर इज अ प्रोसेस फॉर इट. तो किस तरीके से आप वो प्रोसेस जो है वो इजी कर सकते हो, ऑटोमेटेड कर सकते हो. दिस विल ऑल्सो हेल्प इन द सर्विस सेक्टर. अगेन दिस कैन बी रिलेटेड टू द हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो, रेस्टोरेंट की अगर हम बात करते हैं, टू टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो. सो यहाँ पर आपका रिलेशन हर जगह पर आ सकता है. वी कैन गिव प्लेंटी ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स इन द प्रोसेस टू. नाउ फिजिकल एविडेंस. नाउ फिजिकल एविडेंस whenever we are approaching a doctor's clinic, so सबसे पहली चीज क्या होती है हमारे दिमाग में कि देखो कितना साफ है, ठीक है, प्रॉपरली सैनिटाइज्ड है कि नहीं है. अगेन जैसे टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू एनी होटल या अगर हम किसी फ्लाइट में जा रहे हैं, सो वहां पर हम देखते हैं रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, बैकग्राउंड कैसा है, एम्बियंस कैसा है, ठीक है। सो वेदर तो फिर हम एक ही जगह पर जाना शुरू कर देंगे, बट वी वांट ना कि हमारे बैकग्राउंड में जो पिक्स हैं वो अच्छे अच्छे आए हैं। आजकल के टाइम में तो ये बहुत होता है। सो जो आपका थीम बेस्ड रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, why that concept has come, क्योंकि फिजिकल एविडेंस बच्चे एक्चुअली मैटर्स। अगर हम अपने बाल को कट करवाने जाते हैं तो वहां पर देखते हैं एक स्पेशल कॉर्नर होता है, वहां पर यू कैन एंजॉय योर कॉफी, यू कैन लिसन टू द म्यूजिक, यू आर हैविंग मैगजीन ओवर देयर कि आप किस तरीके से टाइम पास कर सकते हैं, टेलीविजन है वहां पर। सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज एक्चुअली द फिजिकल एविडेंस दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग। तो सर्विस सेक्टर में इस चीज की भी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस होती है। ओके, सो मैं इतने टाइम से फोकस करी जा रही थी कि रिलेशनशिप्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, रिलेशनशिप्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू विद द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग। ओके, सो आजकल जिस तरीके का हमारा टाइम चल रहा है, काफी कॉलेजेस खुल गए हैं, काफी कॉलेजेस में अभी भी थोड़ा सा पेरेंट्स को रहता है कि हम स्टूडेंट्स को ना भेजें, बच्चों को ना भेजें अपने। स्टिल अभी भी बहुत सारे आपके इस तरीके से ओपन अप हो गए हैं कि यस नाउ दे कैन गो, दे कैन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ प्रॉपर सैनिटाइजेशन एंड ऑल। सो इन दैट एरा डिजिटलाइजेशन तो बहुत अच्छे से हो गया। जिसको नहीं भी यूज करना आता होगा कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप और वी कैन से मोबाइल फोन, उन्होंने भी अच्छे से यूज कर लिया। जूम पे बहुत अच्छे से मीटिंग हो गई, वेबएक्स पे मीटिंग्स हो गई, MS टीम्स यूज करना आ गया, किस तरीके से PPTs, किस तरीके से क्लासेस। एंड लेट मी शेयर दिस थिंग्स विद यू, दिस इज नॉट अ लर्निंग फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ओनली, दिस इज अ लर्निंग फॉर टीचर्स एज वेल। हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी हैं कि किस तरीके से हमें इस टाइम पर, इस डिफिकल्ट फेज पर भी किस तरीके से, सो दैट स्टडीज आर नॉट इम्पैक्टेड। तो व्हाट इज दिस, वी वांट टू मेंटेन द रिलेशनशिप, कि हमारा जो टीचर और स्टूडेंट बॉन्ड है वो बना रहे, वो कहीं इस चीज के कारण टूट ना जाए। सो अगेन आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन कि कनेक्शन इज नॉट अ रिलेशनशिप। बच्चे ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। वी आर कनेक्टेड विद सो मेनी पीपल डिजिटली। अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट्स देख लो, अपने फेसबुक अकाउंट्स देख लो, अपने इंस्टा हैंडल्स देख लो, वहां पर इतने लोग होते हैं, बट यू आर नॉट रिलेटेड विद देम, दैट इज नॉट अ रिलेशनशिप। रिलेशनशिप का मतलब क्या है? What is the process of relationship? It is building long-term win-win relationship with the customers, with the distributors, with the dealers, with the suppliers. So it is not just sufficient to have connected to people, but make sure karna ki whether they are happy with the product or services you are providing to them, listening to their queries, answering them, inculcating the suggestions that they have provided you. That is also a very important part of the relationship marketing. Now, how is it different from the transactional marketing? Now, in the name, please go through the name. That is the transaction, give and take. ठीक है, सो किस तरीके से, how is it different from the transaction marketing? In the transaction marketing, the focus is on the single sale, कि चलो भाई प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज जो हैं वो सेल हो गई। बट रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग में बच्चे फोकस कभी भी सेल पर नहीं होगा। इट विल बी फोकस इज ऑन द बिल्डिंग द रिलेशनशिप। सो आपने यू हैव मस्ट विजिटेड सम स्टोर्स जहां पर आप लोग सिर्फ देखते हैं, इट्स लाइक अ विंडो शॉपिंग। और कई बार जो आपके शॉपकीपर्स होते हैं वो इतनी ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होते हैं कि येस दे आर गिविंग यू ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द न्यू प्रोडक्ट, कि ठीक है इस बार आप नहीं ले रहे हो बट माइट बी नेक्स्ट टाइम। सो दैट इज द फोकस ऑन द कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप। और कई कैसे होते हैं कि ठीक है आपने नहीं लेना तो व्हाई यू आर वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम। So that is called the transaction marketing. Now when you will go to the market ना, malls आप कहीं पर भी जाएंगे, start focusing on these small factors. Okay. Now in transaction marketing the focus is on I. Whatever I am having, I want to sell it. Clear? But in relationship marketing it is the we focus. आपको क्या चाहिए, उसके accordingly we are functioning. Product feature orientation, what we are having in our hand. ठीक है, बट इन रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग इट्स द प्रोडक्ट बेनिफिट ओरिएंटेशन, हाउ इट कैन बेनिफिट यू। तो समटाइम यू एंड अप बाइंग द थिंग्स जो कि आपने एक्चुअली परचेज नहीं करनी होती, बट जो आपका शॉपकीपर होता है वो आपको इतना इन्फ्लुएंस कर देता है कि नहीं ये तो चीज बनी ही आपके लिए है, ये तो आप ही को लेनी चाहिए, ये तो अगर आपने अभी नहीं ली तो यू विल रिग्रेट इट इन फ्यूचर। So that is a product benefit orientation. वो आपको ये दिखा रहे हैं कि in future how this gonna benefit you. Low emphasis on customer service in case of transaction, but in case of relationship marketing, it is all about the customer service. In transaction market, it is the rare customer contact. हो रहा है, ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा, then भी. But in case of relationship marketing, it's a frequent one. आप बहुत जल्दी उनसे feedbacks लेना चाहते हैं, आप उनसे बोलना चाहते हैं कि when you will revisit again. Okay, now you can see कि कई बार अब आप जैसे किसी स्टोर में जाते हैं तो वहां पर आपके नाम वो लिख लेते हैं और उसके बाद आपको persistent messages आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, कॉल्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, कभी वहां पर सेल्स लगती हैं तब आपको उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. तो दिस इज ऑल द फ्रीक्वेंट कस्टमर contact they are maintaining. In transaction marketing, that is a moderate concern for quality, but there is very high concern for quality in case of relationship marketing. So quality should be there so that customers are again and again attracted towards you. बच्चे अगर आप quality maintain करेंगे, so even if the prices you are charging are comparatively high, but again customers will come back to you. Now the 5 levels of relationship marketing, how we are proceeding with the relationship marketing. Number 1 we can start with is the basic marketing. Now basic marketing कि सिर्फ जो sales person है उसने sell कर दिया अपना product to the customers. Now reactive marketing. In reactive marketing, you are not only sharing your product or selling your product. What you want is there any comments? Is there any feedback from the customers also after selling the product? Now next we are having the accountable or we can say the responsible marketing. Now आपने सेल कर दिया, आपने फीडबैक लिया, बट फीडबैक में आप इम्पोर्टेंस किसको दे रहे हो कि whether the need for which you have bought that product or the service that has been fulfilled or not. That means you are taking the responsibility. कि आपने अगर उनको बोला है कि नहीं भाई आप इस फ्लाइट से जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, आप ये वाला कार को अगर आप रेंट लेंगे तो वो बहुत अच्छी आपको कंफर्टेबल रहेगी, इसका आपको बहुत अच्छा जो है माइलेज मिलेगा, प्लीज गो फॉर दैट. अगर ये आप आउट स्टेशन कैब्स लेते हैं तो यहाँ पर आपको बहुत बेनिफिट मिलेगा. सो वेदर एक्चुअली वो चीज हुई है कि नहीं हुई है. प्रोएक्टिव मार्केटिंग, यू आर टेकिंग अ स्टैंड, आप उनसे सजेशंस लेना चाहते हो, ठीक है. सो आप उनसे पहले ही पूछ रहे हो कि क्या इसका कलर बेटर है या इसके डिजाइनिंग में और क्या क्या चेंजेस करें या व्हाट चेंजेस वुड यू सजेस्ट. तो प्रोएक्टिव अप्रोच है ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द मार्केटर. एंड पार्टनरशिप मार्केटिंग, लास्ट लेवल और वी कैन से द सबसे आपका एडवांस लेवल. ना पार्टनरशिप मार्केटिंग, द कस्टमर्स आर ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेटिंग. सो जब मैं कलर्स की बात कर रही हूँ, जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि फ्रेगनेंस यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस, तो सजेशंस आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द कस्टमर्स. वो सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं ये वाला फ्रेगनेंस नहीं, अब ये वाला फ्रेगनेंस इंट्रोड्यूस करो. जैसे लेस कॉन्सेप्ट में आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर, लेस के जो चिप्स होते हैं दे ऑल्सो केम अप विद अ कैंपेन जिसमें उन्होंने बोला था कि आप अपने चॉइस के फ्लेवर्स बताइए. सो कस्टमर्स ने अपने फ्लेवर्स बताए कि हम ये वाला फ्लेवर चाहते हैं, हम मिंट फ्लेवर चाहते हैं, हम बारबेक्यू फ्लेवर चाहते हैं. सो अगेन उन्होंने बोला था कि जैसे जैसे आप जो जो फ्लेवर्स बताएंगे विल चेक द सेम, विल सर्च फॉर इट, विल मेक सम सैंपल्स और उसके बाद विल डिसाइड कि विल गो फॉर इट और नॉट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड पार्टनरशिप मार्केटिंग. ठीक है, यू आर इन्वॉल्विंग योर कस्टमर टू इनटू द प्रोसेस. Next is techniques to get inside the customer's mind and heart. बोल तो हमने बहुत कुछ दिया कि नहीं भाई इस तरीके से जो है हमें कस्टमर्स को अपने पास में ही रखना चाहिए, उनके बारे में हमें सोचना चाहिए, but how to connect with them, this is very important. So we are having certain factors through which it will help us to connect with the customers. एक relationship build up करने के लिए it will help us. और सबसे पहला connection कौन सा होता है relationships में? That is the emotional one. हम इमोशनल हो जाते हैं ना, कई दिनों से अगर अपनी फैमिली से नहीं मिले होते तो हम इमोशनल हो जाते हैं. कोविड एरा में तो सबने ये चीजें बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस करी हैं. फ्रेंड्स से नहीं मिले होते तो हम इमोशनल हो जाते हैं. सो यू कैन सी सो मेनी पिक्चर्स ओवर हियर. कहीं पे बच्चा खुश है, कहीं पे बच्चा ग्रम्पी है, कहीं पे बच्चा सस्पिशियस है. सो वी आर ऑल्सो बिहेविंग लाइक दिस एट टाइम्स. So how, through the emotional approach, how we can go into the mind and heart of the customers. So number one thing for any relationship that is very important is building the trust. So marketer को भी trust जीतना पड़ता है बच्चे customers का. That is very important. How you can go for that? कैसे आप trustworthy बनते हो? By providing the quality services. आप दीजिए quality product बार बार उनको, तो they want to come to you always. Show personality. Now how to show personality? Whatever you are, you are. So ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है, suggestions आ रहे हैं, आप उनके बारे में सुन रहे हैं, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके जो key factors हैं आप उन पे compromise करेंगे. So आप उन पर भी stand लेते रहेंगे. Now next is inspire confidence. Now inspire confidence to your customers, or we would say the prospective customers. As I was talking about, sometimes it is like you are just going for the window shopping and you actually end up with shopping so much. So yes, you are instilling confidence in them ना कि नहीं ये तो चीज आप ही के लिए बनी है. This is for you. That is how you are maintaining the relationship. You are building the relationship and deliver a great customer experience. As you are visiting to a doctor, as you are visiting to a restaurant, as you are visiting to a resort, how the overall experience was. आप लोगों ने, you must have heard about the term worm, that is word of mouth, or we can say nowadays it is e-worm, that is the electronic word of mouth, जिसको हम reviews कहते हैं. Review के basis पर, अरे कोई नई movie आई, कोई नई series आई, you are just going to the reviews कि भाई कैसा है. So experience share करते हैं लोग, अपने point of views आपसे share करते हैं कि how they are liking it. You are going through 5-10, ठीक है भाई, overall अच्छा लग रहा है, let's go for it. ठीक है? So that is called the emotional connect. The next we are having is a purpose driven connection, which is, this is also very important. So emotional connect तो है, but ऐसा नहीं है कि उसका कोई purpose नहीं है. आप वो चीज क्यों कर रहे हो, emotionally attached क्यों हो रहे हो. So वहां पर profit is not a purpose. Profit is ultimately a result. Whenever you are starting a new venture, so again आप first year में profit expect नहीं करते हो. अगर आपका वही चीज सिर्फ आपका break even भी हो जाए first year में, otherwise so you can even go for losses. ठीक है भाई, payback period होता है हर किसी का. ठीक है, so it takes time so relationship to grow. So these are the certain things we should keep into our mind, that is establish a meaningful reason for being in the business. So why you want to enter in that business, what was that cue, what was that instinct you want to enter into the business. Sometimes कई बच्चों के family businesses होते हैं, they don't want to enter into that, they want to open up their own venture, they want to go into service industry. ठीक है, so होता है कई बार, आपके पास एक reason होना चाहिए. ठीक है, एक ऑब्जेक्टिव होना चाहिए, which is very important. Are you ready to invest? Now what do you want to invest? Your time, your energy, your money, your efforts. क्या आप ready हैं उस चीज के लिए to build up that relationship? How can you get your entire company on board? अरे भाई हर कोई फिर ये बोलेगा कि ठीक है पूरी कंपनी की क्या जरूरत है. We can go for a single person company. Yes, there is a concept, one person company. Sole proprietorship में चले जाते हैं, but कब तक बचेंगे? We'll be having different people. We'll be having different people with different mindsets. So उनको एक बोर्ड पे एक लेवल पर लाकर वो डिसीजन मेकिंग करना is very important. Clear? Does the purpose align with your brand? तो आप जिस ब्रांड को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, क्या उसके साथ वो पर्पस बिल्कुल मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा? अगर नहीं कर रहा, so you will be changing it. ठीक है, आप उसका अलाइनमेंट करेंगे, which is very important. How are you perceived today by your customers? Perceptions, let me ask you, or rather let me tell you. I have made the picture also over there. There is a boy, and these are all the sensory organs we can see. There are eyes, there are ears, tongue. So perception is through these sensory organs. Okay, how you are perceiving a product, how you are perceiving a service by just looking at it, by just hearing that jingle, by just hearing that song, okay, by tasting it through our taste buds in case of restaurant, okay, by smelling it, perfumes हैं, soaps हैं, creams हैं, by smelling it you are making perceptions, or by feeling it. Feeling is like an overall experience, how you felt about it. As I was talking to you, na resort में जाकर how you felt. Can you just share the experience? So perceptions are very, very important. So marketers should invest their time and energy in building up or how people will start perceiving them. So they should work on that too. Now, next is the next important point in this is leveraging the brand community. Now, community is like a set of people who are associated with you. अब तो ये हमने बना लिए, इमोशनल कनेक्ट हुआ, उसके बाद हमने उनमें इन्वेस्ट भी अच्छे से करा क्योंकि पर्पस था. सो हमने उनको वो रिलेट करवाया कि yes we are here for you. That's why those people are also here for us. Clear? So important in this is the bring your community together. सबको एक साथ ले आओ एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे. अब वो प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा हो सकता है? Nowadays if we can talk about that, they could be digitally connected. ठीक है, सो यू कैन सी ऑल द आइकन्स, इनमें से किसी में भी फेसबुक पे, व्हाट्सएप पर, इंस्टाग्राम पर, कहीं पर भी आप उनसे डिजिटली कनेक्ट करके आप एक कम्युनिटी बना लेते हो अपनी. लिसन टू योर कम्युनिटी, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो वो कह रहे हैं, जो वो रिव्यूज दे रहे हैं, जो वो सजेशंस दे रहे हैं, लिसन टू देम. Let your community promote you. If you are paying so much attention to your community, if you are investing so much in your community, they'll also help you in promoting. Kaise? Ki we have used that product, we have gone to that place, we have used that tourist, I would say the transport system, or that we have been visited to that hospital and the services they have provided, that has helped me a lot. So they'll also help to promote you. But again, first you have to build up that relationship and make the community about them. So it is not only about you and you. It should be about all of us. So आप उनके साथ मिलकर you are getting into the planning phase, you are getting into the executing phase. एलॉन मस्क का जैसे अभी मैं थोड़े दिन पहले ही इंटरव्यू सुन रही थी और उनके बारे में भी स्टडी कर रही थी. तो टेस्ला कंपनीज में जैसे उनके चार्जिंग पॉइंट्स होते हैं तो वहां पर बच्चे कार्स काफी टाइम के लिए खड़ी रहती थी और एक पर्सन का इम्पोर्टेंट मीटिंग था और वहां पर चार्जिंग पॉइंट पे वो कार लगा कर वो चले गए थे लोग कि ठीक है भाई, जब तक चलता रहेगा हम आ जाएंगे थोड़ी देर के बाद घूमकर. सो वन पर्सन ट्वीटेड अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम कि देखो ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और मैं इस तरीके से रिफिल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ इसको क्योंकि बाकी की कार सब लगी हुई हैं विदाउट एनी ड्राइवर. So what is the solution? उसी टाइम there and then they come up with the scheme कि अगर आपका वो चीज चार्ज हो चुकी है उसके बाद अगर आपकी कार is standing there तो उसके बाद there will be charges per minute. तो उसी टाइम वो solution हो गया. You are listening to your community, you are answering them, and you are coming up with the solutions because they are also feeling participative कि ठीक है हमें कोई सुन रहा है. So this is also very important. It is not just you are digitally connecting with them और बस उसके बाद उनके जो suggestions आ रहे हैं you are not paying attention to them. You should. Okay, so next in this is factors for success of relationship market. That is the market knowledge you should be having. You should be knowing about your environment, how the environment is going to impact you. Again, I have talked about the internal, the macro, the micro. नेक्स्ट इन दैट इज द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. आप अपने जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं उनको प्रॉपरली ट्रेन करिए फॉर दिस. एंड इट इज नॉट ओनली द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम विच इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, इट इज ऑल्सो एम्पावरिंग एम्प्लॉयज. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट? that they are able to take the decisions on their own. आप उनको इतना तो freedom दीजिए कि whenever they are stuck in any situation where they have to make the decision, they have the liberty to take it. So empowerment of employees is also very important for the success of relationship marketing. Quickly, I'm going through the steps in relationship marketing program. That is the identification of the key customers. Again, connections and relationships. ठीक है. सो की कस्टमर्स, आई हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड की कस्टमर्स. आपको देखना है, ये पता लगाना कि हुआ योर की कस्टमर्स इज अ बिग टास्क बच्चे. Next is the delegating experience relationship manager to every key customers. So कई बार we come across ना कि अरे इतना important customer था, तुम्हारी stupidity के कारण वो चला गया. ठीक है. So why you are doing that? आप इतना बड़ा रिस्क कैसे ले सकते हो? डेलीगेट एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड वन, 1-to-1 कर रहे हो, 1:2 अप्रोच कर रहे हो, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, बट provide the experienced one who has the knowledge, and if not, train them. Training and development programs are always there for help. Preparation of detailed job descriptions. Now job description, आप सारे points लिख रहे हो what you are required to do. ठीक है. जॉब एनालिसिस में जैसे आपका जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन होता है, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है, तो यू आर लाइनिंग डाउन, यू आर पॉइंटिंग आउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग यू शुड टेक केयर. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एनुअल कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप प्लान्स. सो एनुअल रिव्यू की हम बात करते हैं, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट देयर शुड बी कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड रिव्यू ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर्स टू, कि वो किस तरीके से परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द कस्टमर्स कि कस्टमर्स कितने सेटिस्फाइड एंड डिससेटिस्फाइड है, हाउ द रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर्स आर परफॉर्मिंग. कई बार होता है कि मैनेजर ने अपनी तरफ से बहुत अच्छा प्रोवाइड किया होता है, कस्टमर्स ही ऐसे होते हैं. सो एट दैट टाइम वी शुड नॉट ब्लेम द मैनेजर बिकॉज हिज टेक्निक वाज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ठीक है. The next one is the tools of relationship marketing, how you can enhance it, what are the different ways it can help. That is providing the better customer service, जिससे आपकी customer loyalty जो है वो increase होती है. Let me tell you, maintaining the same customer base is far more cost effective. कॉस्टिंग के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोच कर देखिए, जो आपके कस्टमर्स हैं उन्हीं को मेंटेन करना is very cost effective as compared to going for the new customers. So इसलिए relationship marketing is a very important concept and we should focus on the customer service. Suggestions and feedback as they are providing, are we working on them or not? And next in this is the loyalty programs. So loyalty programs, whether the feedbacks they are providing, they are getting rewarded accordingly. There are certain point systems. Nowadays, everyone is offering that. The point systems are there, coupon systems are there. The other, if you have shopped for this much amount, this gift you will be getting. So these are kind of different ways where we can be in relation with our customer and they will keep on purchasing products or purchasing services from us. The different approaches specifically for the tourist company, as I got to know you all students are so much into the tourism. So different kinds of benefits, as you can see, the Yatra is there, Make My Trip is there, I Go IBBO, Tripoto. I hope there are many more. ठीक है. So इनके अलावा ये क्या-क्या benefits दे सकते हैं? So there are certain financial benefits as we are visiting their websites also, so we can see कि कितना discount है, आज के दिन के लिए offer है. This is offer for only 2 hours. ठीक है. So bonuses हैं, financial incentives है, they are providing. Social benefits in the form of personalization of the product. So packages, yes, they are providing, but apart from it, they are allowing for the personalizations of the product and services, or either it could be the mix and match of both. That is the financial objectives also they are fulfilling. They are giving the financial benefits also and social benefits also. So in conclusion, I would say relationship marketing is like a romantic relationship. It is like a romantic relationship between the brands and its customers. Now, why it is a romantic relationship? Because in romantic relationship also there is a journey. Now, how the journey is attraction. First, we are attracted toward the person. So we are attracted toward the product or the service. We are feeling connected. Now connected, we are getting some of the information about the product or services. हमें पता लगा कोई और ने use करा है, उसके accordingly, तो we are feeling somewhere connected. Now again, connected is not relationship. ये please दिमाग में रखिएगा by the end of the lecture also. Now dating कब होता है? When we want to know more about the person. अब हमें और इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए उस पर्सन की, थोड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गई, अब और ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, तो वी वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दैट प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस. then we are forming a relationship. Officially, we are announcing, yes, we are in the relationship. We are friends, or we are boyfriend, girlfriend, or yes, we are getting married. ठीक है, so you are formally announcing the relationship कि yes, अब मैं इस कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो यूज करूंगा, या yes, ये जो सर्विसेज थी, ये जो इन्होंने प्रोवाइड करी थी, इस डॉक्टर के पास मैं जाऊंगा, इस फ्लाइट को मैंने बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करा है, या इस होटल को बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज मिलने चाहिए. तो नेक्स्ट वन, लास्ट वन इज द मैरिज, कि फाइनली यू आर गेटिंग कमिटेड कि ठीक है भाई, अब तो यहाँ पर ब्रांड लॉयल्टी बन गई, यहाँ पे तो कस्टमर लॉयल्टी बन गई. So again, ending line is trying to focus more on R in CRM, that is the customer relationship management, relationship, because everywhere बच्चे relationship matters. Thank you everyone for listening to me so patiently. I hope I have added value to your existing knowledge base. So thank you so much. Over to you, Bharti ma'am.
Thank you, Monica ma'am, for such a wonderful session and informing about the various aspects of relationship marketing, product marketing, transactional marketing, which is a very new concept for students. Word of mouth, e-word of mouth. You can big thanks to Monica ma'am for spending such a valuable time for our students. It was very knowledgeable session for our students. Now, अपने डिपार्टमेंट के कुमार सर को वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए इनवाइट करती हूँ. सर,
थैंक यू भारती मैम, और मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा मोनिका मैम का, स्पेशली उन्होंने टाइम निकाला स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. मैम, सो नाइस ऑफ यू, आप इतने शॉर्ट नोटिस पे आपने अपना टाइम निकाला. और मैं थैंक यू गॉड का भी करना चाहूँगा जो आज आपसे मिलने का वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे मौका मिला है. और मैं चाहूँगा कि किसी दिन हम कॉलेज में ही मिलें और बच्चों से हम फेस टू फेस रूबरू हों. और रियली एक बड़ा अच्छा सेशन रहा, स्टूडेंट्स ने मार्केटिंग के बेसिक टिप्स को जाना. हालांकि बच्चे मार्केटिंग भारती में अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं डाउटली, लेकिन एक नए स्पीकर से सुनने का मौका उनको मिला और उनको अपने डाउट्स क्लियर हुए हैं और कुछ नया सीखने को आज मिला. और रियली मैम एक अच्छा सेशन रहा. थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट फ्रॉम माय हार्ट. डीएवी कॉलेज के बिहाफ पे, डिपार्टमेंट के बिहाफ पे मैं आपका थैंक यू बोलता हूँ. और सभी स्टूडेंट्स भी मैम के लिए अच्छे वर्ड्स थैंक यू यूज करें. थैंक्स एक छोटा वर्ड है एक्चुअली. मैं चाहता हूँ कि जब हम मिले तब हम अच्छे से एक अपनी जो इंडस्ट्री है, टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री, उसमें हॉस्पिटैलिटी मेन है, जिसमें हम बोलते हैं दिल से आदर करना, दिल से सत्कार करना, वो चीज़ ज़रूरी है. तो मैम थैंक्स अ लॉट अगेन आपके टाइम के लिए, आपके वर्ड्स के लिए, और बच्चों को गाइड करने के लिए, मोटिवेट करने के लिए. इन फ्यूचर में हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे. थैंक यू भारती मैम, जो आपने मैम को इन्वाइट किया. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
थैंक यू सर.
Sir, thank you for the kind words. Thank you, and thank you to the students for listening to me so patiently. And if they have any doubt, they can pass it on to Bharti ma'am, and I'll surely try to answer them whenever I'll get the free time. So I'll surely get back to you. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Monica ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.